never gonna give you up.
So I'm gonna start this video off by getting my hair done, and I'm outside right now because I'm going to the hairdressers. I haven't got my hair done since before prom, which was in like April or May. I think it was May, but I'm gonna get blonde highlights that I normally get. I'm just gonna ask for a really cool toned blonde, and I'm just gonna show a picture from Pinterest. And I'm also gonna get my hair cut because last time anyone cut it was my friends. I think I'm gonna cut it like that. And I might get curtain bangs because I've tried getting curtain bangs so many times, but it's always failed because I've always done it like at a bad place or at home by myself. Well, not by myself, but with my friends. So we'll see. I have a few pictures to show. So yeah, this is a glow up in 24 hours video kind of, and I'm really excited for it. Also, I'm going to Thailand and backpacking in like a week, so you will see this when I'm away. I wanted to fix my hair before I left. I can't get out of it. So I have got my hair done now, and now I'm in H&M. So I did get curtain bangs, quite long ones though, but I really like them. And this is the length. It's pretty short, but it's gonna grow out and I like it like this. So I'm just trying on some things for our trip. I've got bikinis, some sunnies because I need new sunnies, and I've got this shirt, and I need like a hat or something to protect my head, but I don't look good in caps, so don't know what I'm gonna do about that. So I just got back from town. I did a little bit of shopping. I went and took some Thai and some Indonesian money out, so I don't have to worry about that because we're going in like a little bit more than a week, which is crazy. My hair, I don't know, it feels so strange right now because I haven't had it this short in a while. I feel like I look like an old lady. So yeah, now I'm just making some food. These are veggie meatballs, and I was saying I just did some shopping and got some money for the trip. I just thought I'd show you what I got. I went to H&M, paper bags, that's good. So I got this against my will. I just thought I need something that's gonna help me not burn my scalp when I'm away, and this was the best thing I could find. It's a little cap. It was cheap, and I mean, I don't suit in caps, which is why I didn't want to get it, but I still feel like I need it. I also got this little headband thing just because I never use headband accessories, and I thought now when I've got my bangs, I thought it could be cute to like do like that kind of, I don't know. I also got a pair of sunnies because the sunglasses I have, I hate. Like, I have a pair of like cat eye ones. I like them, but now they're all crooked, so they're really uncomfortable to wear. But these were a bit bigger, and I think they might suit my face a little bit better. It sounds like my food is burning, so I'm just gonna sort that out. There we go. Next thing I got was a little jewelry piece, and this is a necklace. So it's just this little dainty necklace set with 3 chains, and it's got a little gold, I don't know if that's a moon or what that is, but I just think it looks really cute and simple everyday necklace. And then I also got this shirt because I remember when I was in Croatia last year, I was living in my stripy shirt. Like, it's perfect cover up. It's flow material. They're just so comfortable, so I thought I might bring this one and the other one, or I might just bring this one because it's like a white plain shirt, and I think that's like cute, like when you're all tan and stuff. I got it in a size too big as well, so it is a little bit oversized. I can just wear this to the beach with my fake Birkenstocks and my sunnies, and it will be cute. So the next step is to take a shower, and that can actually help so much. Like, I really need a shower right now. I want the color to be a little bit more silvery, so I'm gonna have my purple conditioner in for a long time. I don't have my purple shampoo here because somehow they've all ended up at Dad's. But anyway, I'm gonna shave so I can prep for my fake tan. I'm also gonna do my skincare routine and all of that jazz, so let's go. Quick story time before I get in the shower. I look like shit. Oh my god, there's a dead mouse in there. So basically, last night I was sitting down here editing my videos. I'd left my door open to my room because I wanted it to get warm in my room because it was freezing in my room. And anyway, I heard lots of banking upstairs, and I was like, what the hell's going on? So I went upstairs and I saw my cat chasing a mouse, and I didn't know what to do. I freaked out, so I was like, oh my god, I don't know what to do. And she was up there with the mouse like the whole night, and I was too scared to go to bed there because I didn't want to go to bed when there was a living mouse in my room. Also didn't want to go to bed if there was like a dead mouse somewhere in my room. So I took the dogs, shut myself in the living room, and we slept in here. Then at like 4 AM mum was like, there's no mouse, like there's no mouse in the bathroom, just shut the dogs and the cat in and go to bed. So I did that, and all night I've been thinking that I've been hearing mice running around in my room, but now I found the dead mouse. And I found it in there, and there's clothes I don't even use in there, but I don't want to touch it and I don't want to look at it, and stuff like this creeps me out. And I've had to clean up dead birds from the bathroom before, so I mean it's been worse. This is not part of my glowing up. This just glowed me down like 1,000 notches, but I think I'm gonna take it outside and hope that it's lying on a piece of clothing so I can just pick the clothing up and throw it out in the bushes. I literally hate this stuff so much. Oh my god, this is why you never get cats, guys. People who are cat people, see this. A wild cat in action. Oh my god. My face looks like this because I've just been popping some blackheads and pimples, so don't mind that. But I've got out the shower now and I'm gonna put some hair oil in my hair because my hair gets really dry otherwise. I'm just using a random one I have at home. This is from Lanza. It's a silk serum. I said I was going to use a hair oil. I'm using a serum. Guys, sue me. I'm so sorry. I don't have a hair oil here by the looks of it. Okay. So we're just going to have to deal with that. I know it's hard, something that money can buy. If you like to waste your glass of wine. I wanted to wax my upper lip, but I don't have any waxing strips here, so maybe I'll go to the shop and buy some for this video. Am I going to be that extra? I'm also going to put some frizz remedy conditioning spray in my hair. What the fuck? It's not even working, guys. Nothing's coming out. Look at that shit. That's shit. What is that? It's like, get off. No, not even working. Oh shit, just shot it in my ear. Shot it in my ear, mate. Because this hair needs a lot of conditioning. My hairdresser said now when I'm going backpacking, I need to use shampoo and deep conditioner as a conditioner instead of conditioner because my hair is so dry. She didn't say that, but I mean, I know that's why. Because why would she otherwise say that? So, okay, so it's time for moisturizer now. Excuse this horrible lighting. My moisturizer's like out. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I go backpacking. I'll probably just buy a cheap one before I go. Do you have any recommendations? I'm thinking maybe simple. So now I'm just gonna get changed into some nicer clothes. Okay, I just remembered I'm gonna fake tan. Like that's like 50% of this video because that makes you look, I feel like that makes me look so much better. So I'm gonna moisturize my body. Well, I've moisturized my face and I'm gonna moisturize the dry parts of my body so the fake tan won't stick. So I'm gonna do like my elbows, my knees, my ankles, my wrists, like around here. Some people say it sticks, so I just like to moisturize there. I'm just using the Body Shop 48-hour intense moisture for sensitive dry skin, and this is in almond milk and honey, and it smells really nice. We love her. So now it's time to fake tan, and I use this tanning mousse, Cocoa Brown by Marissa Carter. It's really good, really inexpensive. I love it. I use it in dark 1 hour tanning mousse, but I just normally leave it on overnight. It says to have it on for 3 hours if you want like the full effect, but I normally sleep in it. But because it's like 3 o'clock and I got up at 2 o'clock today, I'm just gonna have it on. I don't know how long I'm gonna have it on. I'm gonna have it on until I can't bother to take it off. I just put fake tan on my whole body, put my hair up in a little thingy just because I didn't want it in my face, but my face looks so dirty after I do fake tan. But yeah, it's currently 3:15, so I can shower this off at night time. I don't know if I can put makeup on now though, like that will ruin it I feel like. But there's one thing I want to try out, which is fake eyelashes at home, but I'm so scared because I can't even put real fake eyelashes on. Like now I'm gonna try and do teeny tiny ones. I'm gonna have to watch like 1,000 YouTube videos, but yeah, let's get dressed now. Am I 12 years old? Yes. Yes, I am. Also, that's from when I scratched myself. Okay, I need to watch this tutorial before I do it, but this is what I've got, and I've had this for ages. I got this like a year ago. I don't know if you're only supposed to use one line or anything. Like, I'm absolutely shit at applying falsies as it is, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Also, I let my hair air dry because I always do that, but later on for this video I can like straighten it and fix it because this was meant to be a glow up video. But for now I'm just gonna put my hair half up so it doesn't get in the way. Attempt this method at your own risk. Looks looking good.
Hey guys, I'm back with a new video.
Okay, I decided I'm gonna do it down here because we've got like a magnified mirror here and I don't have that in my room. Actually I do. I just forgot that I had one. Oh my god. Guess I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna dip it in the lash adhesive.
I'm so scared.
I've never done anything like this before. So we're gonna take, so we've got this really pointy thing here, and I'm gonna take, I guess I'm gonna start out with a medium one. We have it there. There it is, and I'm gonna dip it in. My camera's about to die, guys. I guess I'll come back when this is done, but I'm gonna start. Why won't it stick? Don't know, mate. I feel like that's a bit long. I'm probably gonna go with the short ones and the medium ones on the outer corner. This is going to be so hard, guys, but this is what we got to work with. I'm going to use the medium ones on my outer corner and the short ones just on the inner corner, so I don't want it to be too dramatic. And I guess I'll come back to you when I've done some of this because I need to put you guys on charge. You are blinking red. I'm going to see if I can master this. This is going to take ages. I can already feel it.
One eternity later.
So guys, I have now put the lashes on. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be, but I definitely recommend you use a magnifying mirror, otherwise it's so hard to use it, to like put them on. And also, do not get glue on the tweezers because then you'll have a hell putting them on. I didn't get glue on them, so I think that's what made it a little bit easier for me. And yeah, I feel like it went quite well, but I just feel like it kind of looks a bit weird, and you can like see where the lash is glued together. It's like a black lump, and you can kind of see it in person, and you can see it on the video now a little bit. But I'm just thinking if I use like a black liner over it, then maybe that will help. You're also not supposed to use mascara, so I'm not going to use mascara on them, which is nice. But you're also not supposed to use any oil makeup remover anyway, so I think like the lashes went quite well, but I didn't use any long ones. I only used the medium as long because I feel like these are long enough and I don't want it to look crazy. So I used one row of short, like the whole thing, and the medium I also used, and I also put some short on the outer corner as well just to give it a bit more volume. So now it's time for makeup. I've had my fake tan on I've had it on since 3:15 and it's currently 5:30, so 2 hours. So it's fully dried and it's fine to put makeup on now, I feel like. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna start out with my CC cream to just even out my skin tone. I'm not doing anything today, so this just feels so unnecessary. I only have this as the tiniest foundation brush. My fave blush ever from Glossier in Dusk. I love this blush. Joking. No, I'm really annoyed that the false eyelashes have already started falling out. Maybe I just put too little glue on. Okay, now you can see the lashes a bit better as well. I feel like this one looks better than that one. I think it's because my end lash fell off this one. So now I'm just going to top it off with this Pillow Plump XXL lip plumper from Soap & Glory, which I'm obsessed with. Every time I go out I wear this. I don't know if it actually does anything, but it feels fun, like it tingles. So yeah, that's the look. So it's now time to straighten my hair, and I'm in this awful lighting again. Okay, so always when I straighten my hair, I section it up. So that's that done. Now let's take this out. I've got like no hair, so it takes like 5 seconds to straighten it. So now I'm gonna curl my bangs like outwards kind of to make them flow better. And I don't quite know how I'm gonna do that. Wait, what way do I need to curl them? Kind of like that. I don't know how. Okay, like that kind of. Okay, I think I've done it. That's it. Okay, that's it for my hair. This will like calm itself down a bit, so hopefully soon, because that looks so much different to that side, but you get the gist of it. This is how my hair looks straightened. And yeah, the only other step would be to do nails, but I do have my last ever work day at McDonald's tomorrow, which is crazy. I need to get fika for that, so I need to go get cake or something because it's my last day. It's like everyone who finishes at McDonald's always gets fika, so I need to go get that because I start at 6 AM tomorrow. Don't think any shops will be open that early. But yeah, this is me, my fake tan, my straight hair, some jewelry, some fake lashes that already look like they're gonna fall out. I might fill up a lash or two on this eye, but other than that, I'm really happy with this glow up. Glow up. I guess I'll see you in my next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more if you aren't already. Here are the shout outs for today's video. I love you all so much. Bye. I could have worn a different top, but YOLO, you only live once. Comfort is key, sisters. You heard it here first.